This is the introduction to the Able Power Share. Basically what we have here is a system where if one power supply fails, another one will take the load, and another level of redundancy is if another power supply fails, the entire sign will dim down and the remaining power supply will take over the load and the sign will still stay powered. So an example, say for instance if something happens and you have some type of a power glitch, but the power supply is still good. Something happens, the power supply goes off for just a couple seconds, but the power supply is still fine. The sign recovers. In another situation, say that was not a power glitch and the actual power supply failed. In this case, another power supply will take over the load of that. Basically, we have two power supplies running at 50%, so this power supply took over the load for this one. Now this one is dead, and now this is firing back up again. All right. Now in the third scenario, we have this power supply is still functioning, this power supply is still functioning, and this power supply is now dead. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to simulate this power supply dying, and this will only leave this power supply functioning and running the entire sign. You see this side went completely off now. It's not showing here, but what will really happen is the power share will send a message to the master to dim down such that this power supply can take on the entire amperage of the sign. In here, the sign's already dimmed down, so you're not going to see that happen. So give it a few seconds here. This will take a little bit longer because in theory what it's doing is sending the command to the master saying dim down. So that operation had to take place first. As you can see, it fired back up. Now we have one power supply running both this one and all these over here. These two are turned off. And recovered. That's the introduction to the Able Power Share.